Morning everybody, welcome back. So this is our second video in our series on the basic use of the Gimp tools, how to adjust images, how to create images, how to import, export, how to use all the basic functions of Gimp. If you haven't watched the first video, I suggest that you do. This is the second video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop, how to scale, how to copy and paste and things like that. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. The first video was about how to change the colors. Okay, so I'm going to go back to our first video. We got to using the wall. Okay, so we have a little image here which we want to build into a fantasy scene. Okay, so for our wall, we want to put the wall onto this image, or if you got your own photo, you can do that as well. You can import, export, you can change things. Okay, so basically we want to get this into this. Okay, so how do we do that? There are a few ways we can do it. We can use the crop tool. Okay, you just got to highlight. Okay, let me go out of that. You just got to highlight the crop tool. You go to where you want. You hold the mouse button. You select all. You left click to select just that part. You go to edit, copy, edit, paste. Okay, so now we got our wall. Okay, so now you can go to tools, transform tools, scale. Okay, so now we can move the tool to where we want. Let's say we want the wall over there. Okay, you deselect the wall. Okay, so what Gimp does is Gimp works with layers. Okay, so what that means is when you put something onto this image, it actually sits above the image. It's not on the same level as the image. It's a new layer sitting on top of the image. Okay, so if we look here, our bottom layer is the picture, and then above it, it's a floating selection. We got the wall. Okay, so what we got to do is we got to right click on the floating selection, and we need to anchor this layer into our picture like that. Okay, and that is how you will add a part of a different image onto an existing picture. Okay, so let me show you again. Okay, you go there. I'm just going to undo this. Okay, you will come to the image. You go to the crop tool. Let's say it's something you want. Only a little piece. You hold down the left button. You keep it. You left click it. Okay, you edit. You copy. Go back to your image. You edit it and you paste it. Okay, tools, transform, scale. Now you can move it to where you want it. Okay, I want it, let's say I want it like that. Then you deselect it. Now remember, this is a different layer. You can see here it sits above the base layer. So we need to add it. Okay, so you right click and you anchor it. Okay, so that is how you would do that. Okay, so there is another way of doing this. Okay, let's go edit. I want to undo it. Okay, so we go back to our wall. Let's say I don't want a square or a rectangle. Okay, I don't want a square or a rectangle. Let's say I just want a little piece of it. Okay, then you use this one, the free select tool. So you can click to where you want it. Okay, we are clicking all the way. Click there, and then at the end you hit enter, then it joins it. Then we only want to copy this little piece. Okay, edit, paste, layer, transparent, sorry, tools, transform, scale. Let's say we want that over there. Okay. Remember, it's a layer above this, above the base picture. So now we got to anchor it. Okay, so that is ways that you can remove little pieces of an image, not the whole image, just little pieces, and then you can add it onto your main picture. Okay, so now I actually want to show you something else. Let's say I don't want this to be like this. Let's say I want to change it. Okay, you can go to edit. I'm just going to undo that. Okay, let's say I want to turn this vertically. Okay, so what you will do there is you can go to your layer, because remember it's a layer above the base layer. You go to layer, you can go to transform, you can flip it vertically. Okay, layer, transform, you can flip it horizontally. Okay, layer, transform, you can rotate it. Layer, transform, you can rotate it however you want, you can flip it however you want. Okay, so I'm just going to flip this vertically again. Vertically. Okay, now you go to tools, transform, scale, and now you can move it to where you want it to go. Okay, so I want to create a little doorway over there. Okay, now you deselect it. Okay, tools, transform, sorry, layer, transform, flip horizontally. That's what I want. Then you want to anchor it. You anchor it. Okay, so that is basically how you would remove something from one image, the whole image or a piece of the image, and how you would go and add it onto here, onto the image that you want. Okay, so yes, that's basically just how to edit something. You would use the crop tool, or you can use the free select tool, and you can get what you want onto the image, and then you can go to your layer, transform, and you can put it however you want to onto the image. Okay, guys, that's going to end this one. I'm doing a separate video for basically all the functions, because I know some people only want help with certain things, not everything, and they don't want to go through an entire video. So I will be carrying on in the next video with more advanced features. It's probably going to be about 5 or 6 videos for the whole series. Please watch them all. If you are new, you can also, if you want to make comments, I can respond to them, and you can also please like and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Thanks, guys. Goodbye.